guys! So we just arrived in Pyongyang, the capital of DPRK. So fun fact, Korea was called Koryo before it was Korea. Currently in central Pyongyang with the library behind me and the Juche monument there. Fun fact number 2. So the word Pyongyang actually means flat land and peaceful land. It's so peaceful here and the environment is actually really clean. Annyeonghaseyo. So it's our second day here and I'm currently at the Palace of the Sun, which is a mausoleum of the past leaders, which are President Kim Il-sung and General Kim Jong-il. They're buried inside the mausoleum of the Palace of the Sun. And this is a very sacred place for the DPRK locals because the leaders are actually like gods to them. That's why we have to wear formal clothes and we have to bow in front of their resting area. We're having bibimbap right now.
No, pasti menyesal.
So we are in front of the reunification statue, symbolizing the North and South Korean women. So we're in BNZ, the neutral area between North and South Korea. And we're not allowed to take a lot of photos here because of security reasons. We are at the border between the North and the South. So the blue building is managed by the South Koreans and the white building is managed by the North Koreans. And that's South Korea. This is the Natural History Museum, which was built at 992 and it's listed as the UNESCO World Heritage. Day 3 and our last day here, and it's freezing cold and it's also raining. Bought some flowers to pay our respects to the leaders. Which is called the Pulpul Station, which means prosperous, and it's 100 meters deep.
Deep inside.
We're here at the Arc of Triumph. So the Arc of Triumph was built as a sign of respect for President Kim Il-sung because he was the one who liberated DPRK from Japan's colonization. Fun fact number 3. DPRK's Independence Day is 15th of August 1945, which is only 2 days before Indonesia's Independence Day, which is 17th of August 1945. So this is makuli, a traditional drink that's like rice wine.
You make.
Fun fact number 4. So there are housing for scientists, artists, and opera singers and athletes. So each of these professions will live in one apartment together. And in Pyongyang, almost everyone lives in an apartment and houses are only available in villages. Birthplace of President Kim Il-sung. He was born here and he grew up here with 12 of his family members. We are in front of the Juche Monument, which is 150 meters high. So Juche in Korean means that man makes their own destiny. We're gonna go up to the highest level of this monument. On top of the Juche Monument, and it's so windy, but the view is amazing. So this is the Party Foundation Monument, which is a monument dedicated for the working party. Fun fact number 5. So DPRK locals doesn't have to pay for phones and education. They have a compulsory 12-year free education from kindergarten to high school, and university is also free, but it's not compulsory. Barbecue dinner. Yes, barbecue. So we're going back home tomorrow, and this marks the end of our trip to DPRK. So see you guys next time.